Hi, to fix mobile data issue on your Poco X7 Pro, just open settings, then here find mobile networks tab, and of course make sure that SIM card is inserted in your phone. So in my case, only one SIM card is inserted. I can see its phone number, network provider, and so on. And if in your case two SIM cards inserted, then you would have option with the help of which SIM card you can enable mobile data. You need to choose either first or second, and of course make sure that mobile data is enabled, so the switcher is blue. If not, you need to simply tap it like that. If you got one SIM card inserted like in my case and you still have some troubles with mobile data, so in that case go back, find more connectivity options, and here find Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. So this will help to reset all of the network settings, including mobile data, and this will fix issues with mobile data. So tap this arrow, here draw a pattern, enter PIN code or password, and now confirm that you wanna reset all of the network settings. And now they have been reset, which means that we need to reconnect mobile data, we need to reconnect to our Wi-Fi network, and we need to reconnect all of our Bluetooth devices. So go back in mobile data, and now it is disabled. As you can see, we'll need to enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now in the upper right corner, I can see those signal bars and 5G internet. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.